What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the counter element from Ultimate Addons plugin from WPBakery page builder in your WordPress website into a simple, fast and effective method. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. So let's get this started. First thing, go to the page where you would like to apply this element or go to a previously built page. A tip for you, this only gonna work if you have the WPBakery page builder plugin active on your site and the Ultimate Addons plugin active on your site, okay? If you don't know how to install those plugins, let me know in the comments so I can guide you, okay? After, go to page, into the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over add new page, submenu. Hit the button, this blue button right here, next to the WordPress logo type, call it WPBakery page builder. Then you can have two options, front-end editor, you can see the results while you edit, or back-end editor. I'm gonna start using the back-end editor. I'm gonna choose the default layout so we can load the footer and the header of your site. I'm gonna click into add element. Then I'm gonna review the upper right corner of my screen. There is a search field right here. I can click right here and type counter, just like this. And here is the guide that you're looking for. Your milestones, achievements. You can choose icons, okay? You can upload your own icon sets. There is a tutorial explaining how to do this on our YouTube video, on your YouTube channel. Or choose from the font icon manager. There is a couple of useful icons right here. You can change the size of the icons, the color of the icon, the icon shape, you can choose an animation for the icon, the icon position, the counter title, the counter value, the thousand separator, replace decimal, counter value prefix, suffix, ruling times, 3 seconds, up to you, okay? We can change the typography in the case that you want for every single part of your counter, and the design options, place to apply margin, paddings, and borders. Hit the save change button. And let's review the results we got. Fancy. Let me apply a little space. I'm gonna click into this plus button right here. Search for space. Just like this. I'm gonna use the empty space. Then, all I'm gonna do is change the layout on this row right here. I'm gonna hover my mouse over this part, so I can change the columns. I would like to have 4 columns. Let me move this space right here. Let me clone these elements. I'm gonna drag and drop one for each column. Let me remove this space and enter this into a new row. So, space. Oops, wrong element. Empty space, just like this. Done. And we are good to go. Simple, easy, and effective. And of course, we can customize this in the way that you want, okay? Everyone can have its own icon, its own style. Let's try to change this into the front end. Let me save this change. And let's load the page into the front end, so I can share the editor with you. Hover a mouse over the part that I would like to edit, for example, this icon right here. You're gonna be able to change the icon. and to change the color. And you can see the result immediately, just like this. Simple, right? Squared background. You can design your own. In the case that you want. You can add a border. After doing the changes you need, make sure you hit the update button into the upper right corner of your screen and you are good to go. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!